Coloring is so much fun. It's a wonderful way to express yourself and let your imagination run wild. You get to use your crayons to make beautiful pictures. What's your favorite color? Is it bright red, sunny yellow, or maybe a cool blue? Is it blue like the sky or green like the grass? Coloring makes me happy. It's like bringing a blank page to life with every stroke. It makes me feel creative. Every picture tells a story, and every color adds a new chapter. Do you feel creative when you color? It's a great way to share your ideas and dreams with others. I love to color pictures of animals. Animals are so cool. They can be any color you want them to be. Do you like to color pictures of animals? Maybe a purple tiger or a blue cat? Let's learn more about coloring. Are you ready? Grab your crayons and let's get started on this colorful adventure. Coloring books have amazing designs. They are filled with all sorts of intricate patterns that can keep you entertained for hours. Some designs have lots of swirls and dots. They are so pretty. These patterns can be very relaxing to color, don't you think? Some designs have stripes like a zebra. The black and white stripes can be turned into any color you like. Others have spots like a ladybug. Imagine all the different colors you could use for those spots. Can you think of other cool patterns? Maybe something from nature or your imagination. There are designs with flowers, stars, and hearts too. These shapes can add a touch of magic to your coloring book. I wonder, what's your favorite design to color? Is it something simple or something more complex? Let's move on to shapes. Are you ready for the next fun thing about coloring? Shapes can be just as exciting as patterns. We see so many shapes when we color. Can you point to a circle? A circle is round like the sun. Look, a square has 4 sides. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangles are pointy. They look like pieces of pizza. Rectangles are like longer squares. Wow, you learned about shapes. Now let's use our imaginations. You can color anything you want. Let your imagination run wild and create your own magical world with just a few strokes of your crayons or pencils. You can color a blue sun and a green moon. How silly. Or maybe you want to create a sky filled with rainbow-colored stars. The choice is yours. You can color a purple elephant or a yellow lion. Imagine a jungle where animals are as colorful as your dreams. There are no rules in coloring. Feel free to color outside the lines and use as many colors as you like. It's all about expressing yourself. It's your own special world. Dive into your coloring book and let your creativity shine through every page. Coloring is fun for everyone. Whether you're alone or with friends, it's a great way to spend your time. You can color with your family and friends, share your colorful creations, and enjoy the time together. Coloring makes me so happy. It's a wonderful way to express your feelings and see your ideas come to life. Keep coloring and keep having fun. The more you color, the more your creativity will grow. Enjoy every moment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.